Hey everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman and welcome to this week's Minute with Mayor. And this week we're talking about a really special groundbreaking ceremony we had for the turf projects. So last Wednesday, we started at Bob Jones Park and took some time to go and visit the softball and soccer fields that will soon be replaced with artificial turf. With friends and neighbors, athletes and their families, we got to share the moment when the construction began. Big scoop and then throw it on your neighbor. I'm just kidding, don't do that.
So we are so excited that we in Southlake are giving you first class fields to play on, and I hope if you go play other places, you can come back and say, you know what, our fields are the best. That's what we'd love to hear, and we hope that's true.
Enhancing our softball fields with the artificial turf has been a dream for the Southlake Girls Softball Association for a very long time, and this project is going to make a huge impact on the entire softball community.
The ground is broken. Breaking ground on this project means more memories to be made for the athletes and their families, and the fields of Bob Jones Park are a cornerstone of the community. The artificial turf update on the multi-purpose fields will only add to its greatness.
About 2 years ago, we approved the 2035 Parks Master Plan. We tend to work about 15 years in advance on what we want our plans to be for future generations. And obviously this type of work was all a part of that vision. That said, we realized earlier this year, that, you know what, we really need to take a look at how we're prioritizing specifically this park here at Bob Jones as well as Bicentennial.
And we're kind of excited about it. It really does a world of good for the community. We have a lot of kids here that play soccer. We have about 1,500 members every season that play out here. So that's a lot of kids that the community sees.
All right, the ground is broken. Let's get to work. As we move from Bob Jones Park to Bicentennial, it holds true. Our values and dedication to excellence are part of everything we do here in Southlake.
We just can't say thank you enough for the investment in our town and for our kids.
And just like the families that spend so much time on these fields supporting each other, it's important that they know that they have the community support of Southlake as well. So thank you so much to everyone who came out and participated in these great groundbreaking ceremonies. We are so excited to get these projects started and finished very quickly so our boys and girls can get on the fields and start playing. That's all for this week's Minute with the Mayor. We'll see you next week.